Tulum! Gotachteiche! Soh! Soh! Get back! Get back, you beast!
The adrenaline. It's too much.
Too much.
He's gone. He's really gone.
Almost finished. Just need to smooth this edge. Make sure it's high enough. Yes, checking now. It'll do. Almost there. Need to breach this now. Oh, just a bit further. Got it.
Safe for now. The wind still howls. 40 kilometers. Trapped. I won't last long here. I need to get out. Please.
The irony that you, my sustenance, brought me to this.
No, come on, just a little longer. There. Got it. Got it.
Almost. Ah, that's better.
The storm. It's stopping. Maybe it's finally passing. I made it. Just a little further.
"40 kilometers is too far. I need to wait. Just 3 hours left. I can't outrun the storm.
The mountain won't wait. I'll make camp here. It's the only way. Checking airflow. Must stay dry. Wringing out the wool.
No. Quickly. Found it. Yes. Yeah. Thank God. Dawn. 4 hours left. The candle has 6. I have time. I will survive this night. Just breathe. Calculate. Adjust.
God help me. Just a little longer. The night is done. Rise. Rise. Rise.
The wind stopped. The coldest moment has arrived. It's too quiet.